Hey, what's going on? What's going on here with another video? So pretty much going to be putting this straight pipe. If you haven't heard this straight pipe, you can check it out in my other video. But I'm going to be putting a muffler on this straight pipe right here. I'm going to show you exactly what you need and how that's going to go down. So I already got this pipe already marked, so I'm pretty much going to cut this right here. Once that's cut, I got this coupler. Make sure you go into the plumbing section because these are threaded as plumbing. So the same threads as plumbing, and just fits right on here. So I'm gonna put that on there. Once that's on, I'm gonna pop this bad boy on top, which is pretty much just another piece of pipe. It's just a little thicker than this. I'm just gonna make it kind of gradually, so once I weld it, just kind of sand it smooth and make it look nice. And put this on here. It's kind of gonna look like that. This muffler you can pretty much find at any Canadian Tire, Home Depot. It's pretty much a lawnmower, snowblower muffler. They come in two sizes. This one's appropriate for the size engine I'm going to be using. It's pretty much a 7 horsepower. So, yeah. The reason why I'm doing this is my neighbors, they're not really liking the straight pipe sound. It's a little bit loud. So, I'm going to pop this bad boy on here. We'll see how they like it then. Pulse TIG, which I think is the best TIGging for beginners. So if you're gonna get a TIG welder, get a TIG welder that has pulse welding. Bad boy over there. Okay, now that we got this right there, just cut this. It's the difference between it's still hot. It's really possible. Okay. Time right now. Alright, so pretty much got this piece here fully welded up. Ready to rock and roll. Let's put that on. Pick that bad boy up. Put this bad boy on. You can check it out. Test videos coming up. Give me a couple of days to just kind of upload that. Give you guys some close-up photos and show you guys exactly what this bad boy looks like up and close. Sound test coming soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, tell me what you think. This is something you put on your mini bike or drift trike or go-kart. Let me know if you need some help with yours.